Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the which are the different types of animals and birds that are found in our state, and also which are the animals and birds which are found in our districts, and also which are the different crops that are found in our state, and also which are the major crops that are found in our districts, and also which are the major industries that are found in our state, and also so list of industries which are found in our district also, and which are the different occupations that are found in our state, and which are the different major occupations that are found in our districts. All these things we discussed here in this class, and also which are the different rivers that are flow in our state, and which are the rivers which flow in our districts. Okay, so all these things we discussed here in this class. Now let us discuss one by one. So before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. Okay, so in last class we learned about the how the state is formed and how many districts that are present in our state, and which is our state and which is our districts, and how many taluks that are present in our districts. So, which are the different districts that are present near our districts, and which are the different states that are present in our near or neighboring our state. Okay, all those things. So yeah, state is formed by the many districts together form a state. Our state is Karnataka. So okay, here Karnataka state has 31 districts. Okay, so they are Bidar, Kalburgi, Vijaypur, Yadgiri, so Belagavi, Bagalkote, Raichur, Dharwad, Gadag, Koppala, Uttar Kannada, Haveri, Ballari, so Udupi, Shivamogga, Davangere, Chitradurga, Chikkaballapura, Dakshin Kannada, ಕೊಡಗು, ಮೈಸೂರು, ಹಾಸನ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೂರಲ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅರ್ಬನ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ and ಕೋಲಾರ. So these are all the districts that are present in our state Karnataka. And Vijayanagara is the 31st districts. So recently formed districts. It is a recently formed districts, that is Vijayanagara. So it is separated from Ballari district. Okay. So I will once again repeat it. Bidar, Kalburgi, Vijaypur, Yadgiri, Belagavi, Bagalkote, Raichur, Dharwad, Gadag, Koppala, Ballari, Uttar Kannada, Haveri, Udupi, Shivamogga, Davangere, Chitradurga, Chikkamangaluru, Dakshin Kannada, Hasana, Tumakuru, Kodagu, Mysore, Mandya, Chikkaballapura, Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Kolara, Ramnagara, Chamarajanagar and Vijayanagara. So these are all the districts that are present in our state Karnataka. Okay. So total number of districts in our Karnataka are 31 districts. So which is our district? Our district is Chitradurga. The taluks that are present in our district: Chalakere, Valalkere, Moಳಕಾಲ್ಮೂರು, Hiriyur, Chitradurga and Hosdurga. So okay. So and also directions. Okay, the different districts that are present are located in different direction. In each direction, Tumkur is there, and west Shivamogga, north Ballari, south Hasana, southeast Chikkaballapura, southwest Chikmagaluru, northwest Raichur, northeast Raichur, or northwest Davangere. Okay. So okay, here you observe here. So look at the picture. The picture of animals and birds which are found in our state are given: peacock, bear, cow, tiger, crane, sparrow, deer, elephant, parrot, rabbit, snake, horse, sheep, pigeon and squirrel. All these are the animals and birds that are present in our state. Okay, so now let us see. Okay, make a list of animals and birds which are found in our districts. Animals and birds. So cow, horse, sheep, rabbit, all these are the animals that are present in our state. And birds: peacock, sparrow, parrot and pigeon are the birds that are present in our district. Okay, I will once again repeat it. So which are the different animals and birds found in our state? Peacock, bear, cow, tiger, crane, sparrow, deer, elephant, parrot, rabbit, snake, horse, sheep, pigeon, and squirrel. So all these are different animals and birds found in our state. So okay, which are the different animals found in our districts? Cow or sheep. So these are all the animals found in our district. Peacock, sparrow, and parrot. These are the birds found in our district. Okay. So next, which are the different crops that are found in our state? Ragi, jowar, maize, sugarcane, coconut, grains, oil seeds, and etc. are grown in our different districts of our state. Okay. So ragi, jowar, popcorn, maize, sugarcane, coconut, aconite, and grains, oil seeds, mango, and chili. These are all the different crops that are grown in our state. Okay. So next, make a list of major crops of your district. So ragi, jowar, popcorn, maize, sugarcane, coconut, grains, oil seeds, mango, sapoto, chili, brinjal, tomato, and ladyfinger. All these are the different and major crops of our district. Okay. I will once again repeat it. Major crops of our district are ragi, jowar, popcorn, maize, sugarcane, coconut, grains, oil seeds, mango, sapoto, chili, brinjal, tomato, ladyfinger. So all these are the different and major crops that are found in our district. And which are the different industries that are present in our state are industries like sugar, cement and fertilizer, and aeronautic and fabric and paper. So etc. are found in different districts of our state. So okay, industries like sugar, cement, fertilizer, and aeronautic fabric and paper are found in different districts of our state. Okay, make a list of industries which are found in our state. Sugar industry, cement industry, fertilizer, aeronautic, and paper industries. So these are the different industries that are present in our district. Okay. So we find different occupations like agriculture, fishing, manufacturing of glass, and making baskets, pottery, etc. in the districts of our state. Okay. So and here so with the help of the teacher, major occupations found in our districts are agriculture, fishing, manufacturing of cloth, pottery, making baskets, so beekeeping, animal husbandry, and etc. etc. I will once again repeat it. So major occupations found in our districts are agriculture, fishing, and manufacturing of cloth, pottery, making baskets, and beekeeping. So all these are the major occupations found in our districts. In next class we discuss more things. Thank you one and all.